5 overprotective cats. The last one is best. Number 5. The most jealous cat. At number 4. The cat against crying.
No!
3. The poor cat thought she was really drowning.
Okay. Yay! Lifeguard kitty to the rescue! Oh, I'm fine, honey.
Number 2. The cat helping her dog friend. The last one. This cat is so jealous that it pretends to be protecting it from the dog.
About 6 there. You don't want to see me go to 10.